Singing in the rain.
Oh, I love this.
Singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy.
Oh, this song is so
I'm
funny.
laughing at times so dark, and the sun's in my heart, and I'm ready. Then the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place.
Oh,
Come on with the rain, I will smile on my face.
nice.
Walk down the lane with a happy
Wonderful.
Yes,
just sing.
a good song to be watching.
Sing.
Yeah.
Take another picture.
I'm happy again.
I'm happy again. Okay, well wait till the water goes high. I'll take another.
All right.
I'm singing
And singing. Aqui é cada roupa que você baba. Você baba. Eu vi todas as lojas importadas que a Fresita fala o nome. Todas. E nossa, vi cada casaco, mano. Cada sapato também. Tem uma loja aqui, mas mais ou menos. Tem lojas melhores, mas cada lugar, mano. Meninas, aqui seria a nossa perdição de compras. Eu tô brincando. Mas olha, tem um lugar aqui, ó, meio bonito. Isso aí, pessoal. Nossa, tipo, muito lindo. Tô tirando foto de tudo. Muito lindo. Ok? Vou sair agora porque eu vou tirar muitas fotos. Tchau. Olha a Charla, mano. Tá procurando lugar pra ela jogar. Mó viciada. Olha isso, ela não acha. Que é isso? What? She's looking for... Charla viciadona, mano.
Okay, the best one is like one of those over there. So if you stand here, can you take a picture of one of those over there?
Viciada! Vixe, ela jogou demais quando a gente tava aqui. See? I can go... Eu não posso ir lá porque eu não tenho idade. Addicting, huh? You want to play more?
I don't think so. You're getting ready to go on the ride.
It's a movie?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not ready.
Yes,
I'm
you
afraid.
are. Oh, you wanted to be
wanna cry.
afraid.
I wanna cry.
What did the sign say? It's okay to cry like a little girl?
Yes.
We'll take your picture, right? Okay, show your ticket.
It's 2 tickets.
Oh, you have to go 2 times.
2 times.
Okay.
Because Sharon don't want to go with me.
Yeah, oh well.
You
too
can go with
bad.
me.
Yeah, no. Oh, your hands are cold.
Yes, I'm cold. I'm afraid. I don't want to go.
Natalia!
Oh my God, that was a good time.
Woo! Louder, Natalia, louder! Open your eyes!